Alright, the Mark did this still great. What kind of gun you got?
I got the G&G AK-47 tactical. .2 gram BBs, 420 FPS, high torque motor, around 800 BBs a minute. I just want to do a 4-minute priming real quick to see just how powerful it really is.
This is a soda can, a Sprite, going through the bottom, the hard sole.
Now.
As you see, it went through it. See the crease right there? You see the exit hole? And this is a BB gun, not a pellet gun,
Airsoft.
a BB gun, airsoft.
One more time for the camera.
One more time. The second hole was a little bit bigger, strong as hell. Alright, now we're going to test it on ourselves.
One more for the camera.
It went through the... This is the entrance hole. The exit hole. It's pretty decent big. Alright, now we're going to test it on ourselves. Look like an AK-47. Steel metal. Online. You get it online. Grip. Extended clip. Cock measure.
One shot, the Mark is going to go first. Push me low.
I'm not... You going first, bro.
I'm going first.
No, bro. No, bro. That's not how it works, bro. I'm going first, bro.
Alright. I just want to get it over with.
Alright.
The Mark is going to get shot with the AK.
No, I'm going first. As in, you shoot me.
Man, I want to do it first, man.
No, bro. No, bro. I'm sorry. He's going to shoot me first, then I'm going to shoot him. I want to get it over with.
I just want to get this over with. I love my family. I don't want to die. Alright. Taking one. Now.
He's going to go far back there in the closet, way back there. He's going to open the door. I'm going to face this door. Face him like this. Okay? Now, I'm going to give you the thumbs up. Let me set it first. Oh. Okay, here we go. Just wait. He is in that closet. Go ahead, bro. Ah! Ah!
Come on, my turn.
I'll message that junk. It didn't really hurt that bad, but it was alright.
This is D-Mark, about to get my shot. Nehemiah Daniels is in that closet, right there. He's about to shoot me with my own rifle. Don't hit me in my head though, okay? Don't hit me in my arms either. You ready? Go.
Alright.
Yeah, I think it left a whip on my back, bro. Look at the middle of my back. You see where it went? Right here.
No, not really.
Yeah. I think I was too nervous. I was tense.
This gun,
Pretty dang good.
pretty decent. Get it online. Feel me?
airsoftmegastore.com.